Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all doing well through these online classes. Today our topic is lens. Okay? In this session, we will study about lens. Lens is made of generally a transparent material. Okay? Using a transparent material, lens is manufactured. See here, I am showing you some binoculars. What is the use of binoculars? We will see a distant objects very nearly. Okay, this lens of binocular is made of transparent material. Okay, see about here I am showing you in the textbook. When we are studying a textbook or a book, some elder people use specs. Why they are using specs or magnifying glass? In order to magnify the letters in the book. So what we are using there? Lens. Am I right? We are using specs. Even small children also are using specs. Why? What is there in the lens? In the specs, lens we are using. So based on our sight, that is majorly hypermetropia, that is far sightedness. Some people can't see far objects. Those people use convex lens. Okay, generally what type of lens we use, how many types of lens we are there? Okay, we will see. What really is happening in the lens is made of transparent material. So whenever light passes through transparent material, light bends. Okay, see here we have two types of lens: simple lens, compound lens. We will see about simple lens. Okay na? Generally, our lens or a simple lens is made of transparent material, and a simple lens have two surfaces. See here, one is the spherical surface and the other might be a spherical or a plane surface. Okay na? Now I have a question for you, my dear children. Generally, how many types of lenses we have? How many types of lenses we have? 6 types of lenses. Okay na? I told you two surfaces will be there for a lens. See here, when the two surfaces are bulged outwards, that is biconvex lens. Okay na? See here, the two outer surfaces are being bulged. What about biconcave? The two surfaces are being innerward. They are not bulged. Okay na? Already we have seen about convex, concave. The same thing, when the two convexes are joined, we will have a convex lens. When two concave mirrors or two concave materials is being joined, we have concave lens. Similarly, when the one surface is plane and the other surface is concave, it is plano-concave. When one surface is plane and the other surface is convex, that is plano-convex. Okay, like this we have 6 types of lenses. Convexo-concave, we can merge convex and concave surfaces. We can merge convex and concave surfaces too. See here, in this class figure you are seeing two surfaces, upper one, lower one. Am I right or not? See here, are you able to understand how the two surfaces are used in a lens? This type of lens is generally you can see in your specs. May not be in a round shape, but they are in a other shapes like box, rectangular. See here lens, the biconvex lens. Am I right or not? See, the how both surfaces are being bulged. Okay, you can see very clearly. See, this is another type of lens, that is biconcave lens. The two surfaces are being innerward. Okay, inside, they are not bulged. Now we will see uses of lens in the daily life. Still now you have seen what is lens. Okay, different types of lens. Now where we are using this lens? First of all, in our daily, we will see convex and concave lens uses, magnifying glass, microscope, All these are using convex lens. Okay, about microscope. See, when you are in a blood test when you have given a blood test sample, so in the diagnostic center person will be observing through this microscope. Am I right or not? So that the inner blood platelets or something else, whatever it present in that, he is able to see in a magnified view. Okay, about lens eye sightedness. See here, convex lens, eye is there. Okay, whenever we want to see a magnified view of the image, then we will use convex lens. What about concave lens? When the object is bigger, image formed is small. Okay na, image formed is a small, that is concave lens. See how the you all know concave, convex lens, concave, convex mirrors. So whenever light ray is passing parallel to the principal axis, you are seeing how the light is being transmitted. Okay, how the light ray is being refracted through the lens, that is concave and convex both. Here one thing you need to understand, my dear children. See, observe the figures carefully. Okay now, when we observe particularly about convex mirror, convex lens, whenever the light ray is being passed parallel to the principal axis, all the rays are being refracted through the lens through the other surface, and they are being converged at a particular point. Children, see here, all the light rays refracting through the other surface of the biconvex lens, they are being converged at a particular point. That point is focal point. Okay now look at concave lens. Whenever the light rays are being passed parallel to the principal axis, so these rays are being refracted through the other surface and being diverged. Look at convex lens and concave lens figures. Are you observing the difference between these two? In the first lens, that is convex lens, all the refracted rays are being converged at a particular point. I told you, in the lens, two surfaces. One surface is incidented, and from other surface it is refracted. So you are observing converging, children. So in the convex mirror we are observing converging. What about concave lens? Refracted rays are being diverged. Okay, so all the converging rays are being being met at a point, that is focal point. So in a biconvex lens, it is very simple to find the focus or focal point. What about concave lens, biconcave lens? So after refraction, you have to drag or draw the refracted ray or extend the refracted ray in back side. See here, observe the biconcave lens of figure 1, how the focus is mentioned on principal axis by extending through backwards. Okay na? Thank you, children. See here, in using biconvex lens, how the focal point is being used, how the focal point is found in a biconvex lens and biconcave lens. So observe here this video in red color, concave lens. So extended rays, that is back side, extended rays in the back side, I am showing you in the red color. Okay, so they are being converged or they are met at a particular point in the red color. See here, at red color, focal point. Okay na? About biconvex lens, see, in the front side only they are converging. But about concave, other side, that is back side of the surface, extended rays in the red color I am showing you. Okay na? Okay na, children, hope you all understood well. Thank you, children. Your homework is today of this session is till now, that is refraction of light through curved surfaces. So from this topic, my last video or from this video, if you are having any doubts, or if you are, when you studied, if you are not understanding anything, so please WhatsApp me those questions or those doubts, and my next video will be solving all your doubts only. Okay, now thank you.